There's a place beyond the silver moon. If we drive, then we can get there soon. So high, they ain't coming down. Don't you wanna go? Don't you wanna go?
To walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown, leaving everyone behind as their slow fires die down. Once we left, we found it harder and harder to slow down, 'cause we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown. 1,000 good miles. The years have come